Hey guys, I'm Nushin. In this video, I'm going to get ready to go on my first date. The most important thing is to take a shower, be clean, smell good, and brush your teeth. Apply body lotion and body mist which makes my skin soft. Well, also apply gentle toner and moisturizing cream on my face. For fit makeup, it's good to know what part of our face we like and more beautiful to make them bolder. So for me, I choose my eyes and lips. Since I have light brown eyes, I create harmony with brown colors from dark to light.
Together, 'cause we got electric love, it's pulling me into the fire. You got a hold on me now, baby. We got electric love, it's taking me up even higher.
I like to make the inside of my eyes black for more shine.
Liquid eyeliner usually provides the sharpest line, but gel and pencil eyeliners can be easier to control if you are a beginner.
I use a narrow flat brush to draw my eyeliner.
Thought it was just one time, but now you're coming over. All the lines that we drew in the sand are getting blurry. You told me you never fall for somebody. I said that I wasn't.
For my lips, I try to make them look more prominent and natural.
We always end up together, don't we? 'Cause we got electric love, it's pulling me into the fire.
Since I prefer places like restaurants and lounges for a first date, and I'm going to eat and drink something, so usually I don't use red lipstick or lip gloss.
I use tint. I wait 10 minutes for it to color my lips, then I wipe it off.
Now I tap some matte nude lipstick on my lips with finger, and you see that my lips become more prominent.
Burn me up like you do.
I like to style my hair simply and quickly and put it around my face, so I curl my hair a little. As for tonight, we are going to a restaurant and I think you should go somewhere you can enjoy and talk together. My opinion is that if that person doesn't attract me in the first meeting, I should trust my feelings. It can be decisive. If everything goes with respect and interest, then the next dates will also happen. What is important is that there should not be a break between dates, because this break will destroy everything. It's better to plan for the next meeting. It's time to go, and I'm sure I'm having a lot of fun. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. If you like this type of video, make sure to comment for me. I love you. Bye.